Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the class on numerical and statistical method. And in this class, we are discussing correlation analysis. Already, we had two class on correlation, and we discussed broadly the formula of Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation, the derivation of the formula. And last class, we did one numerical also based on that formula. So I believe you are aware about all these changes. When I talk about Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation, so there are different methods are there to find the correlation. We have bivariate, we have concurrent, we have Spearman. Generally, we use Karl Pearson. So when I talk about Karl Pearson coefficient correlation, so formula, if I talk about, so so this when we talk about this formula is basically R of xy. R basically means it's a symbol to represent coefficient of correlation. The two formulas we have n summation of xy minus summation of x into summation of y divide y square root of n summation of x square minus summation of x ka whole square n summation of y square minus summation of y ka whole square. So this is one formula, okay, and this is one formula. The another formula of R, when I talk about R, the another formula of R is summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar. Okay, what is x bar y bar? Average value. Divide by square root of summation of x minus x bar whole square summation of y minus y bar whole square. So with this formula, you can find the R. R basically means coefficient of correlation. The coefficient of correlation between the two variable that should be between -1 to +1. So you cannot get a value lesser than -1 or bigger than +1. So this is the formula, guys. I hope you people are clear with the formula. Okay, so now I'm doing this problem in an MS Excel. Okay, so with MS Excel, we can directly use the MS Excel formula of CoreL. With that, we'll get the answer. The answer should be 0.870015. So we'll show that by step calculation. We can use any formula. So if I do by the first formula first, if I do by this formula, so I need the sum of x. I need the sum of x. So so this sum I can find. The sum, I can do the sum. This is sum of x, sum of y. Okay, this is sum of x, this is sum of y. Okay, I got sum of x, sum of y. This is sum of x, this is sum of y. Once I get this, then I can find x, y. I want the xy sum also. I hope everyone is understanding. Any doubt, anyone? You can use calculator, guys, to save time. I'm using Excel. So, one minute. So I multiplied. I hope you people are understanding. XY means 30 into 1, 32 into 0, 35 into 2, 40 into 5, 48 into 2, 50 into 4, 52 into 6, 55 into 5, 57 into 7, 61 into 8. And I can do the sum of that. Clear? So I need sum of x, sum of y, sum of xy, then sum of x square and y square. Anyone, any doubt? Anyone, any doubt? This is sum of xy. This is sum of x square. This is sum of y square. And guys, also others also, please let me know. I hope you all are comfortable with what I'm doing. I'm just trying to use this to save our time so that we can do more, because we have very limited time, 1 hour class. So if I start explaining each step and writing also in normal board and all, so unnecessary, will end up in wasting a lot of time. Just to save that, I'm doing in MS Excel. So I got sum of xy, sum of x square, sum of y square, sum of x, sum of y. What is n? N is the number of terms. So your n is equal to count is equal to total 10 terms are there. Sum of x, sum of y, sum of x, sum of y, sum of xy. So sum of x, I got sum of y, I got sum of xy, I got sum of x square, I got sum of y square, I get. I just need to substitute everything in the formula, I'll get the answer. So you can see guys, so your sum of xy here, you in exam you do notebook. So sum of xy is 500, sum of xy is 500, sum of x is 460, sum of x is 460, sum of y is 40, sum of y is 40, then sum of x square 540, sum of x square 540, sum of x square 540, sum of y square 1040. Okay, everyone. I'll just put that everything in this formula. N is 10, sum of xy 500, sum of x 460, sum of y 40, then under root of n is 10, sum of x square 540 minus sum of x 460 whole square, sum of y square is 1040 minus sum of y का whole square 40 square. R of xy, that is 5000 minus 46 4s are 24, 18 na? 16 plus 2 18. So 18400. I'm getting negative value guys. Negative value. Let's see, the denominator should be negative then. Otherwise, there's chance of some mistake. 5400 minus 46 square 2116 if I'm not wrong. 46 square is 2116. 46 square 50 minus 4. 4 square 16. Then 42 2116. 211600. Then this is 10400 minus 40 is 1600. So R of xy is equal to 5000 minus 18400. So 5000 minus 18400. 13,000 minus 13,400 under root. So 5400 minus 5400 minus 21600. 5400 0 0 minus 21600 211, that is 460 square, right? 460 square, 460 B13, 460 square. So n summation of x square, n summation of x square minus summation of x square whole square, minus 206200, minus 206200 into minus 40 का square. So this is 10400 by 1600. This is 008 plus 614. Then the 9 minus 8, 8800. Under root, I'm getting negative value. Under root, if you get negative value, then you intend to a world of irrational number. This is the formula, no? N summation of xy, summation of xy. Some calculation mistake is there. One minute. One. This is 2070. This is 2070 sum of x square. 2070. Too much. This is 2070. 2070. This is 2070. Sum of xy. This is 2070. This is 20700. Okay, then sum of n summation of x square, 1 meter, n summation of x square, summation of x square sum of y square, sum of y square, 1 minute. Let me just confirm, guys. Excel error happened. That's fine. It's fine. Then this fine. Then this fine. Fine. So again, I need to do n summation of xy means 20. Then summation of x into summation of y. Okay, that was 460 into 40. Okay. That is fine. Then sum of x y 2070. Sum of x square is 22252. Sum of x square is 22252. Sum of x square is 22252. 22252. Sum of y square is 224. Sum of y square is 224. So n summation of xy minus summation of x into summation of y. N summation of x square. This is 22252. So this will be 22250. Okay, and this uh, n summation x square minus summation x square whole square, n summation of y square, n summation of y square, n is 10, summation of y square, summation of y square is 224 minus sum of y का whole square में 40 का square, that will be 2240 minus 1600. Clear everyone? Sorry guys, this Excel error happened because there's a in Excel the shortcut formula is there to find the sum alt equal to. I pressed alt equal to alt equal to alt equal to. So by mistake, what it has taken, it just did the sum of this. Instead of taking vertical sum, it took horizontal sum, and then it continued like that way. So this is 207081. Then this fine. So this is 20700 minus 18400. 20700 use calculator. Tell me the value. 20700 minus 18400. 20700 minus n summation of xy minus summation of x into summation of y. This is 2300. This is 2300 divide by. So this is n summation of x square, n summation of x square minus summation of x ka whole square. So n summation of x square, n summation of x square minus summation of x ka whole square. 10920 into 2240 by 1600. This is 4066 640. Correct? Huh? So yeah, 640. This would be equal to 640. Anyone any doubt? So this is 2300 divided by under root of. So the square root of this value into 640. 2643.634. 2643.634. This was your numerator divided by denominator. 0.870015. The same value what you got before. You remember, no? by using that formula, Corel formula, you got the same value. Anyone, any doubt? So we can use another formula, R of xy, summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by under root summation of x minus x bar whole square summation of y minus y bar whole square. Okay guys, so we'll use this formula also. We'll get the same answer. X minus x bar so x minus x bar into y minus y bar into here x minus x bar into y minus y bar. So x minus x bar, I can find right like the same way. This is your x minus x bar. Okay, x bar I have not found. So x bar is nothing but it is an average. No? So yeah, it is an average value. So this average is the total sum of data divided by the number of data. Number of data is 10. Fine. So I got x minus x bar. Similarly, I'll find y minus y bar. This minus the average. The sum is 40. So that 40 divided by 10, the average would be 10. So 1 minus 4 minus 3, 0 minus 4 minus 4, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 5 minus 4, 1, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 4 minus 4, 0, 6 minus 4, 2, 5 minus 4, 1, 7 minus 4, 3, 8 minus 4, 4. X minus x bar into y minus y bar. You can do the sum of this. This is 230. This is a sum you will get. This is sum of x minus x bar. This is sum of x minus x bar into y minus y bar. There's no point of doing sum of x minus x bar, guys. That is always 0. I hope you understand. Basics of statistics also If you know you that they will be 0 only. Anyone, any doubt? So then if required, you can find x minus x bar whole square, y minus y bar whole square. So x minus x bar whole square, y minus y bar whole square. So this is sum of x minus x bar whole square. This is sum of y minus y bar whole square. Okay, everyone. So if you apply the formula r of xy, sum of x minus x bar into y minus y bar, that is 230, divide by under root of sum of x minus x bar whole square, that is 1092, and sum of y minus y bar whole square, that is 64. So r of xy, 230 divided by square root of 1092 into 64. You can see the same answer. Earlier it was 0.870015. This is 0.870015. So if you round it off, 0.870015, you'll get 0.870015. So you can understand. 69888, 69888, 0.870015. Clear, everyone? So you do anyhow, you will get the same answer only. Anyone, any doubt, any question? So any question, anyone? So next thing we can find is called probable error. Probable error. So whenever they ask you to interpret, find the value of R and interpret your answer. So whenever if they'll ask you find the value of R and interpret your answer. So two kinds of errors you can get, guys. It can be sampling error, it can be probable error. So the formula of sampling error, is basically this. The formula of sampling error is basically 1 minus R square by root n. This is sampling error formula. Then probable error formula, when we what you say take into accountable of the normal distribution. So this would be 0.6745 1 minus R square by root n. So this is 0.6745 451 minus r square. R value you got already. So what is r square? So this was your r value, correct, right? Coefficient determination r square. So do the squaring of this. 0.7569. 0.7569 divide by root n. N is what? N is 10. Now n is 10 root n. So your probable error value is 0.6745 into 1 minus that 0.2430 0.243073074 divide by root n sqrt root n 3.162 3.16227 like that. So you'll find the probable error. So this is 0.6745 into this divide by under root of n. You get 0.05184. 0.05184 something is your probable error. So what happens, guys, when we working on statistics? I hope you remember in statistics, when you work on statistics, either you work on descriptive statistics or either you work on inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics is all about working on each and every unit, but in general sense, we may not end up in working on each and every unit. So we end up in taking samples. So when you end up in taking samples, so many times you do not follow appropriate sampling techniques to collect the sample. So different sampling techniques are there: cluster sampling, stratified sampling, random sampling, probability sampling. There are a lot of sampling techniques are there. Many times you don't follow appropriate sampling technique, and because of that reason, many times you don't get the appropriate result what you're expecting. So the because of considering the kind of samples what you have taken and on which you are doing your research, you end up in getting an error. So that is called sampling error. And when we take an accountable of normal distribution curve into this, we call the probable error. So you understood. So your R value, if I see your R value, if you see your R value, if you see your R value, your R value was 0.8700, I guess, 0.870015. Your R value was 0.870015, and your probable error you got is 0.05184. Okay, always remember this. If your R is greater than 6 times of probable error, then your R is significant. Then only your R is significant. So they'll ask you to comment on the answer. So for that, we need to find probable error. If your R is greater than 6 times probable error, then only your R is significant. Okay. Similarly, if you are, when we talk about R, if your R is less than probable error, if your R is less than probable error, then R is not at all significant. Means you simply randomly you took something and you're trying to find the relation, some value you get, but that value doesn't mean anything. So to prove or to see the significance of the R value, we find it probable error. Okay, in rest other scenario we are uncertain. Okay, so except this, whatever other scenarios if we get, then we are uncertain about the calculation. So only 2 times we are certain. If your R is greater than 6 times of probable error, or if your R is less than probable error. So here, if you see, here your R is more than probable error. So 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 definitely, here we are not at all talking about that R is not at all significant. Now two things can happen. R is more than probable error, so it can be R is significant, or it can be you cannot find any relation. So for that I need to find 6 times of probable error. So 6 times of probable error I need to find, guys. So 6 times of probable error. So 6 times of probable error I'll find. That is 0.311. So that is 0.311. 080. So your 6 times of probable error is 0.311080, and you can see that your R is greater than 6 times probable error, no? Because 6 times probable error is 0.3111080 and R is 0.81015. So since here you can say R is greater than 6 times probable error, so R is significant. Can you understand this? Anyone, any doubt? Anyone, any doubt, any question? Okay, guys, then you do one thing. Write down your assignment. Anyone, any doubt, anything? So can we wind up the class if no one have any doubt? Okay, guys, then I'll see you all tomorrow. Okay, everyone take care of yourselves. Thank you, everyone.